So friends, I was checking a good actually list of this Biocon India. Okay, and this is a daily chart over there. As you can see, like the market, the share was in the downtrend from quite a long time from the December 2020, and now it's narrowing down the range and making some small moves around this point. If you look into the charts from the May month, it's just a small range in which the stock was trading. Right now it's at 384.90, and if we will look on to the long term support, this is a very good support for this stock. This reason is a very good support. Previously this was the resistance for this stock, but once it this shares cross this range, it's a good support for this stock. And as we can see, this support is valid from the April 2020, okay, and the the share has tested it few times like this, two times and three times, and now it's moving a little bit with the upper side, if we can see. And how I am like saying this is moving in the upper side, let us see. If we will see a immediate trend line from this daily chart from the December to May, we can see every time the charts tries to like touch on this trend line and reverse from here. Sorry for the my voice, I'm feeling a little bit of coughing. Okay, one two three times, and now trying to be here for four times a little bit. And what I'm expecting after seeing this market scenario, I'm expecting this will be a upper trend, clear upper trend from here. If this charts will close this, if the stock will close this trend line and comes to clear this immediate resistance, a small resistance that comes over here, if you guys will see. Okay, so this will 404, this will be immediate resistance for this stock. And once this will be done, I'm assuming that this Biocon India Limited will move very fast from here. And let's see the moving averages, simple moving averages for this stock. This is the 20 and 100 moving averages, and you can see like from here, whenever the 20 and 100 comes over here, the stock was making a good move. And if you'll go from in the past two, okay, look at this from this point, this stock really begin from here to there, and at this point it's a 225, and at this point this is a 325 around. So around 20% moves is usually gives. And let us see how the EMAs are, how the moving averages are behaving at this time. Look at this, the from this point from the December, it clearly shows from the 29th January the stock is in the downtrend, and this is coming very near for this 100 days moving averages. So once this was close on this, so I'm assuming above the 420, above the 420 price of 420 around, this will be a 420, or from 41 to 401 to 420, this will be a good move and we can expect. And since the stock is like consolidating from from a long time, so I'm assuming this will cross this high 486, the recent high. And if we will look for the predictions, let us see how much this stock can go from this point. So if we will draw a Fibonacci retracement from here to here, you can see this stock can clearly from 1 to 1, it's the immediate target at 490. Okay, and the resistance, as we have mentioned, 471, we can see a resistance over here from this 420 to 401, as we have talked in our previous. And if we are going to get good results, as we are expecting, the net target should be around 1.5, should be around 565. So from 400 to 565, it will be a good move over there, around 30%. So let's make a, we can take a long position over here. So this is just my idea. You need to consult your financial advisor to just capture, to just validate this, and then make the trade based on her consultation, based on her or his consultation over here. Thank you.